This is a presentation of a ProFlow installation. Hello, the following video is a step-by-step guide on how to install this faucet. Take out all of the contents and check that everything is there. Remove the nut on the bottom of the faucet, the metal disc, and the rubber gasket. Once the hole is measured, correctly insert the hose and the wire into the hole in the basin. Tighten the screw after replacing the metal nut and the rubber gasket. Identify the arrow on the solenoid indicating the flow direction. Connect the solenoid outlet to the inlet hose of the faucet. Make sure the filter is installed on the solenoid inlet, then connect it to the water mains. Connect the solenoid to the appropriate wire coming from the sensor. Connect the power source to the sensor. The sensor LED will blink to confirm that there is power to the sensor. For battery use, open up the battery pack and install 6 AA batteries. Close the battery pack and connect it to the sensor. The sensor LED will blink to confirm that there is power to the sensor. Secure the battery pack to the wall and open up the water mains. Wash your hands and enjoy. Thank you.